Hello guys, welcome back to Fix Your Apps, where we make tech simple for everyone. Today, we're diving into how to enable the Stack Similar Photos feature in Google Photos, step by step. If you find our tips helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more straightforward tech guides. Let's get started. Step 1. First, grab your phone and open the Google Photos app. This is the main app where you store and manage all your photos and videos. Step 2. Next, click on your profile icon, which you'll find at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Now, tap on the Photos settings option that appears on the screen. This will open a new menu with various settings related to your Google Photos account. Step 4. Until you find the Preferences option, and click on it. This section contains different options for customizing how your photos are organized and displayed. Step 5. Next, look for the Stack Similar Photos option on the screen and tap on it. Step 6. You'll see the Disable Stack Similar Photos option on the screen, but we want to enable it. Step 7. Finally, tap to turn on the Stack Similar Photos option. Once enabled, Google Photos will automatically start stacking similar photos together, helping you keep your photo collection more organized. And that's it. You've successfully enabled the Stack Similar Photos feature in Google Photos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.